Hey all, welcome back to ShareTreck. I'm continuing my discussion from yesterday, having decided to go all in on NVIDIA. It's around 8:44 a.m. on the 26th of August, and I'm just trying to see if there are any hints that things are going to go my way. So let's get started. Welcome back, friends. First, I would like to start with the futures, and then I have got a PE chart for NVIDIA that I want to talk about, which will show how precarious the situation is. There will be a brief window of opportunity to make money and get out. That's my opinion. I'll show that to you towards the end of the video. I'll keep it short. Let's get started with the TradingView platform. Welcome back, guys. Here we are in the TradingView platform, and I'm looking at I'm looking at the NASDAQ futures, and NASDAQ futures are slightly negative. I won't worry too much about it right now. And then we are now looking at QQQ, which is mildly positive. It's up 1.08%. And as I said in my previous video, this structure out here with the long red candle followed by a shorter green candle is a very bullish sign according to the Japanese candlestick pattern. So I'm expecting things to pick up today. And of course, we also have the earnings for NVIDIA on the 28th. Today is 26th. So we got 2 more days to go. In fact, 3 days from now, we'll have the results in hand. That said, I'm going to go and have a look at NVIDIA chart itself. So here is the chart for NVIDIA. We are looking at a daily candle. Each candle is a 1-day candle. And today, before the market starts, NVIDIA is down 0.06%. It's at 129.28 pre-market. So there is a little bit of weakness seen there. But still, the momentum and the MACD seem to be encouraging at this point of time. I have another chart that I want to show you. This is a P by E chart for NVIDIA. It's from Y charts. And I have got a historical data out here for 1 year. And you will see that in the early days of the AI hype in late 2023, the PE for NVIDIA was 119.22. Of course, that high PE was there because at that time the forward PE looked very reasonable based on potential earnings going forward. After that, we have seen that we have been more or less steady at a PE range which the market seems to have accepted, and there has been a pattern out here. So if you look at 1st of November 2023 or 30th of October 2023, we saw a huge dip in the NVIDIA PE, and then fast forward to January 30th 2024, there was again a sharp dip, and then we fast forward to April, we have a sharp dip, and now in my opinion I think that post earnings will have a dip in the NVIDIA PE, and for the P by E to drop, either the earning has to go up and the price has to remain the same, which is what happened as far as NVIDIA is concerned in my opinion, because they had superlative earnings and superlative forward guidance. So even though the price went up, the P by E remained low. So I'm thinking that at this point of time at 75.70 P by E, I think the price is below what can be expected out of NVIDIA. So when we get forward guidance that everything is going to be much better going forward, more earnings, I think we'll see a drop in PE because the current price would be very low compared to the earnings that is going to come up going forward based on the forward guidance. So you'll see an immediate drop, and then there'll be a gradual pickup of PE over the next 3 months. So that's the way I'm looking at it. So I'm thinking that as soon as the earnings come in, I think there will be a spike in demand for NVIDIA shares. And that's somehow the way I look at this, which basically means that after earnings, the price is not going to drop. The price will continue to go up, but the P by E will be low because the earnings are going to be much higher. So you'll suddenly see this 75.70 P by E drop because with the current price and the earnings being higher than expected, we'll have a sudden drop and then we'll start moving up again. So if you look at the difference between the P by E out here, this is 73.56 and you got 50.56. So we are looking at somewhere around 24 points drop. So if you were to drop 75 by 24, so that would be around 55 as the PE. Now let us look at the chart out here. What we have here is the earnings per share of NVIDIA, EPS, and you can see that the EPS has been increased since 2021. So there was a 122.54% increase in EPS from 2021, and then there was a 54.81% decline from 2022, and in 2023 there was a jumbo increase of 585.63% in the EPS. And NVIDIA's EPS for the 12 months ending April 30, 2024 was $1.71, which is a 790.1% increase year over year. And NVIDIA's EPS for the quarter ending April 30, 2024 was 60 cents, which is a 629.27% increase year over year. So basically, after looking at all of this, I'm thinking that with this bullish sign out here and the diagonal line of support, I think that we are definitely on a bull channel for NVIDIA. And even if the PE drops, the price is going to be higher. That's my conviction. And I would like to hear from you guys what you are thinking about. And I'm going to go ahead and implement my plan to buy more NVIDIA. So today I'll be selling the remaining of my Tesla. I'll be selling all of the Bluebird. I'll be selling PayPal, which is not doing very well in my portfolio. And instead of all of those, I'm going to go ahead and buy NVIDIA. So that's a game plan. And if I change my mind in between, I'll definitely drop a video. But right now, this is what I'm thinking. Of course, these are my personal opinions and my personal action plan for my portfolio. I would like to hear from you guys what you are doing. And it'll be very interesting. Tune in to see what happens to me after NVIDIA earnings. Am I going to be making a good deal of money out there? So that's the question. Or am I going to have to eat humble pie? And the second thing is, even if I have increase in NVIDIA share price, that is half of the battle. The other half is going to be able to sell it at the right time to book the profits and get back into NVIDIA at a lower price. So that's the game plan overall. So the first part is clear. Sell all the loss-making bad stocks that I have and buy NVIDIA. That's the game plan for today. And then it's a waiting game until 28th. And after that, it's going to be a question of when to sell NVIDIA and book the profits. Of course, I have FNGU also, which is again another kettle of fish because it is magnified. So if things go south, that's going to be really, really bad. But on the other hand, I have money on FNGD, which will go up if things go bad. So it's all hedged out to a certain extent, but it's still a very risky game. Let's see what happens. I'll catch up with you again in the next video. Bye for now.